If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Etsy, it's important to act quickly to avoid any complications. Follow these steps to successfully cancel your transaction. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you are accessing the correct account associated with the pending transaction. Step 2. Go to your purchases. Once logged in, navigate to your account and select Purchases and Reviews from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a list of your recent transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transaction. Scroll through your purchases to locate the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Look for any indicators that it is still processing or has not yet been completed. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the transaction to view its details. This will open a page with information about the order, including the seller's details and the status of the transaction. Step 5. Request cancellation. On the transaction details page, look for an option to cancel order or request cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation request. You may need to provide a reason for the cancellation. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your email for any confirmation regarding the cancellation. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Etsy support for further assistance.